In today's digital age, search engine optimization, SEO, has become an essential aspect of any successful marketing strategy. With millions of websites competing for visibility on search engine results pages, SERPs, understanding how to crack the code of SEO is crucial for marketers looking to drive organic traffic and increase their online presence. However, mastering the intricacies of SEO can be a daunting task, especially with constantly evolving algorithms and best practices. To help you navigate through this complex landscape, we have gathered 5 expert tips that every marketer should know to achieve SEO success. Conduct thorough keyword research. Keywords are the foundation of any effective SEO strategy. They act as signposts that guide search engines towards your content when users search for relevant information. By conducting thorough keyword research, you can identify high-volume keywords that align with your target audience's intent. To find suitable keywords, utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to uncover popular terms related to your industry or niche. Look for long-tail keywords, specific phrases that contain 3 or more words, as they often have less competition and higher conversion rates. Optimize on-page elements. On-page optimization plays a significant role in improving your website's visibility on SERPs. Start by optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, and headers using relevant keywords while maintaining readability and coherence. Additionally, ensure your content provides value by including informative headings and subheadings that break down complex topics into easily digestible sections. Incorporate multimedia elements such as images and videos to enhance user experience while optimizing them with alt text containing appropriate keywords. Create high-quality content. Content is king in the realm of SEO success. Search engines prioritize websites that provide valuable information to users while meeting their search intent effectively. Focus on creating unique and engaging content that resonates with your target audience's needs and interests. Aim to answer their questions, solve their problems, or entertain them with compelling stories. Furthermore, ensure your content is well structured and easy to read. Use bullet points, numbered lists, and subheadings to break down information into manageable chunks. This not only improves readability but also helps search engines understand the context of your content better. Build high-quality backlinks. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites endorsing the quality and relevance of your content. Search engines consider backlinks as a crucial ranking factor when determining a website's authority and credibility. To build high-quality backlinks, focus on creating exceptional content that naturally attracts links from reputable sources within your industry. Reach out to influencers or industry experts who may be interested in sharing your content with their audience. Additionally, leverage guest blogging opportunities on authoritative websites in your niche. By providing valuable insights through guest posts, you can establish yourself as an expert while gaining valuable backlinks to boost your website's visibility. Optimize for mobile experience. With mobile devices accounting for a significant portion of online traffic today, optimizing for mobile experience is no longer optional, it's imperative. Search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites by considering factors such as responsive design, fast loading speed, and intuitive navigation. Ensure that your website is fully responsive across various screen sizes and resolutions. Optimize images by compressing them without compromising quality to reduce load times significantly. Moreover, simplify navigation by implementing clear menus and intuitive user interfaces that make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for quickly. In conclusion, cracking the code of SEO success requires dedication and continuous effort in staying up to date with ever-evolving trends and best practices. By conducting thorough keyword research, optimizing on-page elements, creating high-quality content, building high-quality backlinks, and optimizing for mobile experience, marketers can improve their website's visibility on SERPs while driving organic traffic and achieving their marketing goals. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy that requires patience and consistency. By implementing these expert tips, you can position yourself ahead of the competition and unlock the true potential of your online presence. So, go forth and crack the code of SEO success.